Hello and welcome to our video on dental bleaching, a cosmetic dental procedure that has become increasingly popular in the recent years. Techniques of bleaching. Bleaching may be defined as the lightening of the color of the tooth through the application of a chemical agent to oxidize the organic pigmentation in the tooth. There are two major techniques of bleaching vital tooth are, in-office bleaching and at-home bleaching. For bleaching non-vital tooth, walking bleach technique and in-office thermocatalytic bleach can be used. In this video we will focus on the vital tooth bleaching techniques. In-office bleaching. In-office bleaching is carried out by dentists in their clinics. The procedure offers immediate results and is usually completed with the help of a rubber dam and a 35% hydrogen peroxide solution, bleaching agent. The duration of the process can vary from 30 to 60 minutes and depends on the sensitivity of the teeth. At-home bleaching. At-home bleaching is performed by the patients themselves after consulting a dentist. It is easy to perform and less expensive. It uses custom-fit trays with 10% carbamide peroxide. The process uses low-concentration bleaching agents and can last from 2 to 6 weeks, depending on the stain level of the patient's teeth. Pros and cons. Like all medical procedures, bleaching has its fair share of advantages and disadvantages. Here are some of them. Pros of bleaching. 1. Facilitates the removal of surface stains, making teeth appear whiter and cleaner. 2. Improves the overall appearance of teeth. 3. Boosts confidence and self-esteem. Cons of bleaching. 1. May cause temporary sensitivity of teeth. 2. Prolonged use of bleaching agents may cause permanent damage to teeth. 3. May not be effective in removing internal stains. Conclusion. Despite the risks, dental bleaching remains a popular cosmetic procedure for people who have aesthetic concern. Even though the procedure is not entirely risk-free, proper consultation and use of professional dental services can minimize risks and result in a brighter and healthier smile. We hope you enjoyed this video on dental bleaching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on dental health. Thank you for watching.